Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the topic rationalization. So first of all, what is rationalization? Rationalization means to remove the square root from denominator. तो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में हम इसे कह सकते हैं कि रेशनलाइजेशन मीन्स होता है कि सिंपली आप जो डिनोमिनेटर में आपका स्क्वायर रूट आ रहा है उसको हमें रिमूव करना है अपने फ्रैक्शन में से. सो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस थ्रू सम एग्जाम्पल. तो इसको हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू देखेंगे. So our first example is 1 upon under root 2. So now we have to rationalize 1 upon under root 2. तो अब हमें 1 upon under root 2 को rationalize करना है. तो कैसे rationalize करेंगे? So we have to multiply our denominator by root 2 and our numerator by root 2. So we have to multiply our numerator by root 2 and also the denominator by root 2. Then what we will get? We will get root 2 upon under root 2 into under root 2, and that will be equal to under root 2 upon 2, because root 2 into root 2 is 2. So root 2 upon 2 is the rationalization of 1 upon under root 2. Now we will take another example, example 2. 2 upon under root 5. So now we have to rationalize 2 upon under root 5. So in the same manner we will multiply our fraction so we have to multiply the numerator of the fraction by root 5 and the denominator by the fraction of root 5. So that will be equal to 2 under root 5 upon under root 5 into under root 5, and that will be equal to 2 root 5 upon 5. So this is our answer. Now we will take third example. Our third example, under root 3 upon under root 2. So now we have to rationalize root 3 upon root 2. So how we will do it? We have to simply multiply the numerator and denominator by under root 2. So root 3 upon under root 2 into under root 2 upon under root 2. So we will get root 3 into root 2 upon root 2 into root 2. That will be equal to under root 6 upon 2, because root 3 into root 2 is equal to root 6. So now we will take our next example, example number 4. That is 1 upon root 3 minus under root 2. So now we have to rationalize 1 upon root 3 minus root 2. So how we will rationalize 1 upon root 3 minus root 2? By simply multiply our fraction by root 3 plus root 2. तो हमें रूट 1/√3 माइनस √2 को रेशनलाइज करना है, तो हम कैसे करेंगे, हम √3 प्लस √2 से इसके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय √3 प्लस √2. That will be equal to √3 plus √2 upon √3 minus √2 into √3 plus √2. So now here we will use the identity, and what will be our identity? That is a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So this is the identity that we will apply in the denominator. So what we will get? We will get √3 minus √2 into √3 plus √2 is equal to √3 square minus √2 square. So after √3 plus √2 upon √3 square minus √2 square, and that will be equal to √3 plus √2 upon 3 minus 2, and that will be equal to √3 plus √2 upon 1. So we can write it as √3 plus √. So now we will take our next example, example number 5. That is 1 upon under root 5 plus under root 3. Now we have to rationalize 1 upon √5 plus √3. So here in the denominator √5 plus √3 is given. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by √5 minus √3. Under √5 minus under √3. Under √5 minus under √3. So what we will get? We will get √5 minus √3 whole divided by √5 whole square minus √3 whole square because a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we will get √5 minus √3 upon 5 minus 3, and that will be equal to √5 minus √3 upon 2. So this is our answer. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you will like it.